Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install node.js on macOS. Open Safari browser. Click to open Google. Type node.js in Chrome search bar. Click to open node.js web page. Click to download node.js. Click Continue. Click Continue. Click Agree to continue. Click Install. Type your user password. Click Install software. Node.js installed successfully on your macOS. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.